This part number 11547135 is a package of 12 exhaust manifold bolts. From our E-rod kit, our exhaust manifold gaskets, they each come one per package, and the part number is 126-17944. And now we're ready to attach the exhaust manifolds, which first involves taking the spark plug wires off. Yeah, I found that pulling back on those little shields works pretty good. Look at that, it's like 2 layers. See those 2 layers? See those 2 layers?
May even be 3.
Okay. And what do the stampings say on it?
Well, we have a stamping that says down. We have a stamping that says manifold side.
The bolts come with the kit. The gaskets come with the kit, and the manifolds come with the kit.
Alright, would you help me with these wires management?
Okay, go down as much as you can. We're about to install the exhaust manifold for the passenger side, but the dipstick's in the way, so we're just going to take it off for a second. Pretty much goes without saying, but you'll want to make sure you don't drop anything into the opening that will be going into the oil pan once you get this off. You should just be able to pull it straight out. Alright, we're going to torque all of our exhaust manifold bolts to 11 foot-pounds per the instructions and in the sequence that they recommend, which is the middle of each pair, followed by the inside 2, followed by the outside 2. Now, they recommend 11 foot-pounds, which is what? How many inch-pounds?
132.
Yeah. We want a dynamic friction torque value, which means that little torque wrench needs to break over while the bolt is moving. The instructions say this, and it makes sense. We're going to 15 foot-pounds, which is how many inch-pounds, Dylan?
180.
What size is that bolt head, Delano?
13 millimeters.
You mind if I call you Delano?
No.
This is a small but vital detail, and the instructions actually say to do it on the other side.
There. Like that.
Some quick mental math. What is 10 times 12?
180. 120.
Oh my God. Our public schools are a fucking disaster.